afternoon, our respected panelists. I am Mary Joy Pia Caso, the leader of our group, and we are the Group 1 from Grade 11 Treno. Our topic is about the hidden result of poverty and unemployment and cognizance for our country.
Good day, everyone. I'm Cyrus Volante, and I'm going to be discussing the battle of the which we focus on poverty and unemployment. These two problems happen because of income inequality, slow and uneven growth of the economy, fast population increase, and weak government support. These affect our economy, which makes the poverty rates go higher. People spend less, and the gap between the places and industries, like farming and businesses, becomes bigger. It also has social effects. People experience poor mental health, low confidence, and they have less chance to study, which keeps the poverty cycle going. Health is also affected. Health is also affected because people have limited access to health care, which makes them more stressed and even shorter lifespan. On the environmental side, problems like migration, cutting of trees, and poor waste management affects nature that makes us more at risk of climate disasters.
This slide shows the data of unemployment and poverty rates in the Philippines over the recent years. The unemployment rate significantly decreased from 10.3% in 2020 to 3.8% in 2024, while the official poverty rates also decreased from 23.3% in 2016 to 15.5% in 2023. This data suggests gradual improvement in both employment opportunities and poverty reduction.
I'm Martin Quezon, and our written content is about cause and effect of poverty and unemployment and why there's many people that's unemployed. And when there's a nasa, how can it affect the poverty in our life and the seed of poverty and employment and the cycle of poverty and employment.
Our infographic shows the link between poverty and unemployment, highlighting their rates in recent years and the factors that contribute to them. It emphasizes how poor governance, weak economic growth, and inequality cause poverty, while unemployment leads to financial instability, skill erosion, low quality of life, loss of quality of life, and mental health issues.
My name is Ayasa Inera, and I'm going to present the reflection of income. Poverty and unemployment create a cycle of financial insecurities and limited opportunities. To break the cycle, we need a holistic approach program that provides education, job training, and fair economic policies.
My name is Gerard Babasa. Our infographic helps spread awareness because it turns complicated data into something simpler and visual. If more people can see and understand these issues, especially online, then it can create empathy and inspire action.
Our IPPP highlights the importance of understanding the root causes of poverty and unemployment through purpose and awareness. It also emphasizes the need for collective action and policy reforms to address these pressing issues.